Spray bottle's not here. Roach. Roach. Alright, let's get that spray bottle. Remember, it's cooler if you put it to the side. Roach. Roach. Die. 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 Damn. They're becoming resistant to it, Erica.
Hmm?
Look, they're behind there too. Alright, we're going into the kitchen of this Airbnb. Now I'm gonna grab my gun. 1, 2, die. Wow. Whoa. Erica, check it out. 1, 2, bam, 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 bam. Look at how many traps we've set. And wow, look at this.
So real.
This one is. Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with all these traps, there's still roaches.
At least you document.
Why am I such a cheapskate? I take a vacation once every how often? And I went for the $107 Airbnb instead of the $250 hotel. I deserve this.
I wonder why you want to show me this.
I deserve this.
I
All
didn't
right.
believe you, so you told me to come by just to see it, and I believed you now.
Yeah, that's right, babe. That's right. All right, we're just gonna open the refrigerator up and. Hey, how's it going, little guy? How you doing in there? I want to clean it as well.
Hmm?